Welcome back to the Pterodactyl 2005. 84 is coming in, 918 on the point. As it's snowing out here this morning. It's another burst of winter. That's what it is every winter. Snow. You know. I'm even under the roof here, by the way. Just because of the snowstorm, but I will get up front once they depart. Of course, as I always do. But not quite turn the camera, because as you can see, it's really snowing mainly in the direction when the trains go westbound. Here they come, at 18. One hour seat, 3 beds. This will be 42. Heads up for Andrew. So I expected the horn to clog up the horn. So I expected the horn to clog itself the horn a bit.
SM 84, engineer 84, over. SM 84, looking for your doors on the left-hand side here on the stop and strap road, over. Okay, to open doors, left-hand side, B84. I mean, you want to drop the 84. Engineer.
Alright, we'll be
Kitchener, Georgetown, Brampton, and Malton. Track number 1. Thank you.
And away they go.
Have a wonderful day, Taylor.
Out here at a rush. Not wasting any time this morning. Thank y'all for watching the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you guys next time. Look at the snow blowing off of that coach.